All right, here's a lesson for Where's My Mind by the Pixies. We're going to start with the E chord. 2, 1, open, open. Our next chord is going to be a C sharp minor. This one's a little tricky. You got a 4 on the bottom, and you got a 5, and then you're going to put these two fingers together like that and get the 6, 6. So you got 6, 6, 5, 4. Now our next one is like an F shape. It's going to be 6, 5, 4, 4. So you got your 4s barred up with the first finger, then a 5, and then a 6. And then we're going to go to the A after that, so 1 fret up, same type of shape. So our basic strum is like a 1, 2, 3, and so you could do 3 downbeats on those 1, 2, and 3, the quarter notes, and then you can do a down up on the 4th beat, 4 and. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and. Or you could look at that as like those are like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and so however you want to look at it, it's just. Now when we get to this 4th chord, the A, we're gonna go. So down, up, down, up, down, down, up. He does some things a little bit trickier than that on the album, but let's keep it to as kind of a simple version for this. So. That's really how I guess you'd count that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and Okay, so we're going to do that thing twice for the beginning, and then we're going to start adding the riffs. Let's go through that one more time. Let's play along here on that. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and So then we're going to get into where we play the little riff, the little melody riff. We're going to play that with the chords. Let's look at the riff by itself. So there's different ways to play in some of those notes. Like this 5 right here is the open string. So there's different ways of doing it. You could go like. We're going to play it a certain way because I want to play the chords with that, and it's easy enough to do. So we're going to play the E chord. We're going to go. So as we play that E chord, we finish on that little string, the open. We're going to go open 4, open 4. So okay, so just twice on the open 4 on that E chord. Then we're going to come over to this C sharp minor chord. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to lift this one out of here. So we get the chord and the little melody note going on there. Now this next one, that one's going to go 4, 4, 4, 4. So we want to do the 6, 5, and 4 from our chord. Kind of like strum those first 3 notes. So you haven't played the bottom string yet. Then you can play it and go back and forth. So you really get a separated kind of chord and melody thing. So. Then we're going to come up here to this A. Let's do the 7, 6, 5. So when we do that 7, 6, 5, we don't need to worry about the bottom string, but we don't want to play it open necessarily. I guess you could because it's the same note as that, but I'm trying to go like 7, 6, 5, and then that's open on the bottom, 4 on the second, back to open. So all I got to do is move my fingers a little bit over that way. So it seems pretty easy to do. Okay. So that's our riff with the chords there. So then he starts the verse. And if you wanted to just play chords, you could play this. But if you want to add the melody in there, I can go over the verse too. We're gonna do that 3 times with the singing, and then we're just gonna play the chords again. And he's still singing at that point. Now the 3rd time, it's going to be instrumental. And then after that instrumental one, way out in the water. So here he skips the C sharp minor and goes to the A flat, G sharp, however you want to call it. From that A major, he goes to A minor. So A flat, A minor, and then to the C sharp minor. Hold that a little bit, and then you're gonna hit a B here. The B could be, you could do like 4-4-4-2, or you could do 4-4-4 and 7 on the bottom. Get a little bit of a higher note there. Then we're gonna go back to a verse. We do this 3 times. We go back to the chords. Times with the singing, and then 1 time instrumental, and then to the A flat, way out, the A in the water, the A minor, and then that C sharp minor again, and then we got our B, but we're gonna do the B 4 times this time. Guitar solo kind of thing going on there. 3rd time, 4th time, back to the verse with the riff. Three times of this, so this is the 3rd time. Chords twice. And then once instrumental. And then way out, A flat, A in the water, A minor, C sharp minor again. And then we got B. Back to the main riff with the chords. So that was 2 times of it. You're actually going to do it 6 full times, and then on the 7th time, it kind of cuts off kind of quickly. So that's our first part. That goes a couple times, and then we're going to bring in the riff. And that goes 2 times, and then he starts singing. We're going to do it 3 more times. Then we come in with chords twice. So let's say we did those chords twice. We're going to do them 1 more time, instrumental, without any singing. We're going to be into that way out thing. Way out, A flat, A in the water, A minor. And then C sharp minor hold. Then we got our B. Back to our main riff, a new verse. So 3 more times of that, and then you got the chords again a couple times, one time instrumental, you got the way out again, and then when we do that way out this time to the A minor, and then C sharp minor, we're gonna do that B 4 times. That's once, bum 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 ba-da ba-da bum. That was twice. Third time. Once again, this is like the solo. Fourth time. And then back to reverse with that whole riff thing. And that's gonna go 3 times. Then you do the chords 2 times, 1 time instrumental again, and you got the way out in the water. A minor, hold the C sharp minor. We got that B again, but just once. Da 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 dum dum. And then we're back to the main riff, and we just keep doing that a bunch of times. Okay, so alright, Where Is My Mind? The Pixies. Hope you enjoyed that. I'm Damon Wood. Please like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments if you got any questions or if you have any requests, and we'll see you soon. Thanks a lot.